Hello everyone. For today's magic trick tutorial, I thought it would be neat to share with you a trick that has to do with a rubber band, okay? So you have a regular deck of cards, well mixed, and you have a spectator select any card that they like. Say they pick that card right there. They look at it, remember it, okay? You take their card, lose it somewhere in the deck, so you have no idea where it is. You can even give the deck a few cuts and even a shuffle. Okay, mixing up the order of the cards. Now, you're gonna take your rubber band and you're gonna place it around the deck once, okay? Really tight, and then even make it even tighter, put it around the deck twice, just like so. And now, you can even grab the cards with one hand, and when I let go, 1, 2, 3, one card comes out of the deck. The 4 of spades around the rubber band was that your card. And that's card trap, and it's a really neat trick, and I like it. So before I explain how to do the trick, as always, I appreciate it if you please like the video and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. I appreciate it. Card trap, okay. So you're dealing with a regular deck of cards, okay? It's just a regular deck, shuffled, etc. Okay? Have a spectator pick any card that they want. Say they pick that card right there. You want to get their card to the bottom of the deck, okay? Whichever way you want to do it, get it to the bottom, okay? So what I did, I said, we'll just put your card in the middle somewhere, losing it, and then when you push in, you pull up on this card here. That gives you this break, okay? So you have a break. Their card is on the bottom of this top stack of cards right here. And so then you cut this stack, place it on the table, cut about half of these cards, put them on top, and then the rest, put them on the top, and that gets their card to the bottom, okay? So once the card's on the bottom, then you can bevel the cards out a little bit if it helps you, because you're gonna need to get a pinky break on the bottom card, okay? So when you're grabbing for the rubber band, you're getting the pinky break, and if you bevel them, it's a little bit easier to get that pinky break, okay? Because you only can do one card, okay? So you just one card pinky break on the bottom. You do that as you're grabbing for the rubber band, and when you place the rubber band over the cards once, you place them, okay, within that pinky break, so they're around all the cards except for the bottom card, okay? So the pinky break, grab the rubber band, you're getting your pinky break just on the one card, okay, like that. And then you put the rubber band around all the cards first time, okay, except for the bottom card, okay? So now, the second time when you wrap the rubber band, this is my right hand, I'm holding them with my left hand. I'm kind of grabbing a fist, the rubber band in a fist, okay? I'll pull the fist so the fingers are facing to my left, okay? Pretend like I'm twisting it, but what I'm doing is I'm pulling it with my middle finger, okay? And just holding on to it and then twisting back so the rubber band's not really twisted at all, and then just placing them around the cards, okay? So essentially what you're doing, and I'm holding the rubber band here with my middle finger, okay? So when I let my middle finger go, the rubber band will just stay wrapped around the bottom card. Okay, let me show you that again, because it is a little bit confusing. But essentially what you're doing is you have the rubber band around all the cards except for the bottom card, and then the second wrap it. Basically what you're doing is you're doing this. You're just wrapping it around your middle finger, but because you hold it the way I showed you, you don't have to pull your middle finger down, okay? It's a little bit easier, okay? But that's essentially what you're doing. So you're grabbing the rubber band from the top with your right hand, moving your right hand over so your fingers are facing towards the left, grabbing the top part with your middle finger and just holding on to it, okay? So my hand just went like, my right hand just goes like this and then like that and around the deck, okay? My left middle finger holds the deck, wraps it around the cards, okay? So it looks like you've wrapped it twice, but you've just wrapped it around your middle finger, okay? I'll show you one more time, and you're holding that with your middle finger. It just makes it easier instead of wrapping it around your entire middle finger to let go, okay? So now get this top part of the rubber band, okay? And then just place your hand inside of it. So like this, I'm here. And then when you hold these cards tight with your right hand, okay? Let go with your left hand, and that'll let the rubber band go. But if you hold them tight, the card's not gonna fly over on top of your hand, okay? So you're in this position, holding these cards tight. You can see how they're bending. When you let go, that'll cause the card to come up over your hand, just like that, okay? And then, look, I got two. That's what happens when you get two cards instead of one with the pinky break, okay? And then the card will come up on your hand, and boom, that's card trap. That's their selected card, the bottom card, okay? Now it's just, with the rubber band, I mean, it's kind of the same move as, you know, making the rubber band penetrate through your finger, okay? But you're just doing, one more time, pinky break of one card, go around, okay? Right hand, fingers to the left, my right middle finger just goes down, grabs a piece, the top piece of the rubber band, okay? Kind of pulls it under the deck to hide it a little bit. And then my right hand just wraps the deck again, and you're in this position right here, okay? And then when you put your hand in here and hold the deck tight with your right hand, let go with your left hand, left middle finger, and then when you're holding these cards tight, and then when you let go, one card flips up, okay? And that's card trap, and it's kind of a neat reveal on how to do, all right? Please let me know what you think. As always, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.